Have you ever wondered how old the universe is? Not the Earth, not the sun, everything. All the galaxies, all the stars, all the weird empty space between them. How do we even begin to figure that out? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a ride from ancient stargazers to high-powered satellites, and explain how scientists cracked one of the greatest mysteries of all time. For thousands of years, humans looked up and wondered, where did all this come from? How long has it been here? The night sky was a clock, a calendar, and a mystery all rolled into one. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we finally found a way to measure the age of the universe, and what we found shocked everyone. It started with a guy named Edwin Hubble. In the 1920s, Hubble looked through a telescope and realized something big. The universe isn't static. Galaxies are moving away from us, and not slowly. They're speeding up as they go. This meant the universe was expanding, which also meant, go back far enough in time and everything was packed together, really tight, maybe even all in one point. Sound familiar? Yep. This is where the Big Bang Theory begins. So, here's the trick. If you know how fast the universe is expanding now, and you can measure how far away things are, you can do some cosmic math and rewind the tape. That gives you an estimate of how long it's been expanding, aka the age of the universe. It's like seeing fireworks in the sky and figuring out when they were launched just by how fast the sparks are flying apart. The key to this whole thing is a number called the Hubble Constant. It tells us how fast galaxies are racing away from each other, but here's where it gets wild. Different scientists got different numbers. Some telescopes said the universe was 13 billion years old, others said 12.5, others said 14.2. It was like trying to guess someone's age, but they kept changing outfits. So scientists went deeper. They looked at the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow left over from the Big Bang, basically the universe's baby photo. By measuring this ancient light and combining it with expansion data, they could get a much clearer picture of the universe's age, and the number they landed on, 13.8 billion years. Let that sink in. The universe is almost 14 billion years old. That's about 300 million times older than you. But here's the real kicker. Knowing the age of the universe isn't just trivia. It tells us when the first stars formed, when galaxies collided, when planets, maybe like ours, began to form. And even more, it tells us something deep about how the universe works, how it began, and maybe how it'll end. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every twinkling light you see is part of a timeline stretching back nearly 14 billion years. And somehow, using telescopes, math, and a little bit of stardust, we figured that out. We don't just live in the universe, we measured it.